Hi everyone, I'm Selena, co-founder of Bubble Lab, and today I'm super excited to walk you guys through how to generate a content creation idea generation workflow in Bubble Lab. One of the most common requests we've gotten for workflows is something that can automatically generate content ideas for a company or a specific product. So let's dive right in. I have Bubble Studio open up right here. This is the cloud version, but we're fully open source, so if you want to self-host it, feel free to. And let's launch the pre-built content idea generation workflow. You'll notice that this flow has quite a few steps, but the best part is that every bubble is fully synced with the TypeScript code that powers it. If I click on any bubble here, I can instantly see the code that's actually running behind the scenes. Some bubbles are agentic and depend on sub-bubbles. So for example, our topic research agent here has a toolkit of scraping tools. Every time it runs, it's deciding on which tools to use. And because everything in Bubble Lab is designed to be extremely transparent, you can actually see that decision path live every single time. So for this flow, there's a couple of parameters that require user input, including the email to send the report to, the product that we want to get content creation ideas for. Let's do it for Cluely just for fun, and the industry, which is AI, and students as their target audience. So if I try to execute the workflow now, you'll see that it fails and says missing credentials. And that's because I actually have to provide my Google Drive credentials where the content idea report will be uploaded to. So once I do that and I run, you will see the flow being executed live. Right now, it is heading to explodingtopics.com to scrape some recent trends for us, followed by a topic extractor agent, and now it's heading to the research agent. In Bubble Lab, both the bubble and code being executed will light up while you're executing the flow. Unlike traditional automation tools with rigid JSON files that are hard to debug and understand, you get full observability of exactly what's happening. So if we click on the live execution output, we can see the detailed logs and trace the exact steps that the workflow is going through, which is especially helpful when you have agent bubbles in a workflow. We can see that it's going to all of these different websites, even some TikTok content to find the best ideas for us. Now it's done executing, and we can see in my email that the fully generated content ideas report just got sent in. Some ideas it came up with, including using this company called TagShop AI to convert product URLs into quick AI-generated UGC content, which is really cool. Here's a link where it got its information and inspiration from. Then there's a section on more specific ideas for Cluely, such as a study hack real idea that can showcase Cluely in a daily study routine for students. The longer report is linked here and uploaded already onto our Google Drive as part of the workflow, and we can see here at the end the list of sources it used on this run. Now back into Bubble Studio, let's look at how to export this workflow. You have two options when it comes to exporting workflows. You can either export the code files directly. There's a one-click button that downloads all the files that powers this workflow as a zip. So you can drop this straight into your Node.js app or integrate it in whatever way that you want. Or you can use the auto-generated API because every single flow in Bubble Lab automatically exposes an API endpoint. This comes with mock parameters and you can curl into it from your terminal directly. So let's open up our terminal and test out with a different example. Let's do Sora, and we can modify the command and rerun this workflow. Now this is executed as well, and we can see that it generated ideas for the OpenAI team to generate more marketing to push Sora out more, including a funny what if challenge to encourage people to produce silly Sora videos. And once again in the Google Drive, I can see the full list of ideas along with all the sources. So with Bubble Lab, you don't just get another drag and drop automation tool, you get agentic workflows that are transparent by design, backed by TypeScript code that you fully own. You can read it, edit it, debug it, and extend it to anywhere that you want. That's all for today. Feel free to try Bubble Lab out and see you guys next time.